Hello, welcome everybody. In this video, I am going to talk about teaching practice. How B.Ed fourth year students they have to complete teaching practice program there. What should be done during the teaching practice program? How many lessons plans they have to prepare there according to the teaching practicum in this school and on campus teaching and micro teaching, peer observation, and about the external and internal observer. Being best on this, I'm going to discuss about teaching practicum here. This video will be useful for B.Ed fourth year students who are studying education faculty here. So B.Ed fourth year student, they have to go through this teaching practice as a practical phenomenon. Now let's discuss how and what should be done in teaching practice program for the students here. Here teaching practice program, that is course code is education for 140 year, especially B.Ed fourth year students, they have to involve in this program teaching practice. Especially this course is designed to provide a hands-on experience to the students in the area of their profession for enabling them to become better teachers and professionals in the future. So here, when the student they go in teaching practice program in the respective school, then they can get to know about teaching learning activities. It makes the future teacher better here. Now here the students will gain professional experience in the campus, in the school as well, and under micro teaching program as well. So here I'm going to talk about the syllabus of B.Ed fourth year teaching practice program here. Especially in teaching practice program, undertake 4 major activities in sequential stage, that is orientation of teaching practice there and on campus teaching there, then construction of operational calendar and plans there, then micro teaching will be there and peer teaching will be there, and test construction there and curriculum and test analysis there, then general introduction and preparation of the records maintained in this school. So these are the stages student have to go on there. That is TU syllabus as prescribed this teaching at this school and overall report writing there. So altogether 4 stages are given here. The main purpose of this teaching practice is to make the student enable the teaching practice program, to make the students to be familiar with the teaching learning activities in the classroom there. Now here let's discuss about the major activities to be done here. The first stage is about one orientation of teaching practice here. Here students have to get to know about the introduction to the stage of teaching practice program and requirements to be fulfilled. Here what kind of things should be necessary, their requirements there students are notify to do something here. Then in the stage second, that is on campus teaching hour there, especially in campus teaching here, under the second stage students have to go through construction of operational calendar and they have to prepare annual work plan and unit plan there. Under that there is a preparation of operational calendar there, then preparation of work plan, then preparation of unit plan and preparation of class schedule as well there. In the unit step second, in the step second, micro teaching will be there. Under the micro teaching, there is a preparation of at least 15 micro lesson plan using different teaching methods and instructional teaching materials. At least 10 lesson there student have to prepare for this micro teaching. And preparation of teaching aids, preparation of teaching material while delivering in the classroom, while teaching in the classroom they have to prepare teaching material there. And peer class observation form, here student have to prepare peer class observation form, 2 lessons, at least 2 lessons, while observing the peers in the presence of the campus supervisor. Student have to observe his or her peer in the presence of the campus supervisor there in during the micro teaching program. Then step third will be peer teaching there, and especially in peer teaching, preparation of at least in peer teaching program, there is a preparation of at least 15 daily lesson plan using different teaching methods and instruction teaching material. That is at least 5 lesson there using lesson plan there, and definitely there is a peer observation from 2 lessons, especially 2 lessons peer observation from. Then in that should be observed in the presence of the campus supervisor. Then in the step 4, practice of test construction there. Under that, student have to construct both subjective and as well as objective test item based on the lesson taught there in the teaching practice there. In the especially in the next step, step 5, curriculum and textbook analysis. Here, student have to analysis of curriculum or textbook of the related subject there. In the step 6, there is a journal introduction and preparation of record maintained in the school. That is, student have to do that. Then in the stage 3rd, that is a teaching at a school. Now that is the next important phase for teaching practice program. That is about teaching at a school. Here, teaching at a school, at least 12 lessons there. It is prescribed according to TU syllabus there. Teaching related subject in the cooperating school there, and observation of teaching of students, teacher by campus supervisor and concerned teacher from the school, subject teacher from the school there. And there in the teaching at the school, student have to observe 1 lesson there. During the observation, students should observe his or her peer in the presence of the campus supervisor there. Then next one is their construction, administration and analysis of the test there. Here students have to interpret the test result there and construction of both subjective and as well as subjective test item based on the lesson they taught in the school there, and administration of the test there, analysis and interpretation of test there. And then there is a collection of school record, academic, physical, administration there, co-curricular activities there. And in the stage similarly in the stage stage 4, there is a overall report writing will be there. In report writing, especially stage 4 is about report writing, overall report writing. There is after preparation of overall report of teaching practice in the given format. The format is given here. With this format, student have to prepare report writing here. There should be title page should be there. Then acknowledgement should be there. Acronyms and abbreviations should be mentioned there, and abstract should be there, and table of contents should be there. And then in the chapter first, in the report writing, chapter first should be background, then objective and method there. And in the chapter second, there is the analysis of operational calendar and plans there. Similarly, in the chapter third will be micro teaching there. Then that is report micro teaching there. And chapter 4 is about peer teaching there. And chapter 5 is about teaching at campus school. And chapter 6 about analysis of curriculum and textbook there. And chapter 7 is about construction, administration and analysis of test and interpretation of test result there. And chapter 8 is about analysis of school records there. So that is the overall format of report writing for the students who are involving in teaching practice program there. Then there is a evaluation of teaching practice, especially that is the most important phase students have to know when they move towards the teaching practice program. So which topic, which section, how the marks are categorized here, especially in teaching practice program, the distribution marks, full marks will be 100 there. So marks will be distributed as for different heading as mentioned here. There is an internal examination, that is external and internal examination, and internal examination there. That means that is internal supervisor and external supervisor will also be there. So they have to distribute different types of marks according to the heading and topics there. Especially here, one campus teaching there in the internal examination, that is one campus teaching, there is a micro teaching, then peer teaching and school teaching there, and concerned teacher of cooperating school. External examination 40%. So that means from the micro teaching 15% marks will be there. From peer teaching, one campus teaching, that 20% marks will be there. And school teaching, that is 20% there. And concerned teacher of cooperating school 5% will be there. And external examination, that 40% there. That means from the internal examination 60%, 60% from the internal examination and 40% from the external examination here. Then let's go to the headings here. That means from the teaching performance, from the lesson plan. In micro teaching 4 marks there, in peer teaching 5 marks there, school teaching 3 marks there, and in external that is 6 marks there according to the lesson plan. Then regarding the teaching aids, means teaching material, what kind of materials they have used here, that is micro teaching, that is 2 marks there, and peer teaching 2 marks there, school teaching 2 marks there, and external 4 marks, altogether 10 marks will be there under that topic. Similarly, in the knowledge of the subject matter, that is 3 marks for micro teaching, 4 marks for peer teaching, and school teaching 3 marks, and external that is 5 marks or 15 marks under that heading, knowledge of the subject matter. In the same way, in teaching strategies, which technique and strategies can apply while teaching in micro teaching, peer teaching, it is distributed there. 3 marks in micro teaching and 5 marks for peer teaching, and school teaching 4 marks, and external 6 marks. And that means under that teaching strategy, student will get 18 marks there. Then classroom management in micro teaching 2 marks, peer teaching 2 marks, and school teaching 2 marks. And from the external examination 4 marks. That means 10 marks will from the classroom management deal. Then student teacher impression from the that is concerned teacher of the cooperating school in the teaching at the school, that 3 marks will be there. Then regularity, that is also from the school 5 marks. That means when the teacher move into the school teaching from that school, 5 marks will be there. In the regularity 2 marks will be there. And then peer observation from micro teaching 1 marks, peer teaching 2 marks, and school teaching 1 marks, altogether 4 marks will be there in peer observation. Then overall report writing, in report writing there is a presentation as well, and that is a teaching 3 marks, and external 8 marks, 11 number is there in overall report writing, 11 number. Then another presentation, overall organization of the report, how the reports are organized there, that is also from 2 and 7, 9 marks. That means 20 marks from the overall report writing marks goes to 20 marks there. So in this way, that is the 100 full marks will be there. Well, that is about the marks distribution. Students have to know about this. Students have to be familiar about using this. Well, now let's discuss about some micro teaching evaluation form. So how evaluation form is created in micro teaching there. Here it is evaluated according to this, that is the campus and level specialization academic year will be mentioned there. Then symbol number and name of the students. Then lesson plan, from the lesson plan, especially micro teaching capture 15 marks there. That is from the lesson plan 4 number, and teaching material 2 number, knowledge of the subject matter 3 number, how it is presented there, teaching strategy, what kind of technique he apply in the he or she apply in while teaching there. So teaching study 3 number, 3 marks will be there, and classroom management 2 marks, and peer observation from 1 marks. That means micro teaching capture 15 marks for teaching practice program, that could be observed by the campus supervisor, and that is the internal supervisor there. And similarly, next one is a peer teaching evaluation form, especially next from peer teaching evaluation from that student will get 20 marks there. So that is lesson plan 5 number, 5 marks, and teaching aids 2 marks there, and knowledge of the subject matter 4, teaching strategy 5 marks, classroom management and assessment 2, peer observation 2, then 20 marks from the peer teaching evaluation from there. That will be observed by the internal supervisor. Then next one is internal supervisor evaluation form. Next form is there. So there is a there the marks has been categorized accordingly. They are less from the lesson plan 4 marks, and teaching aids 2 marks, knowledge of subject matter 3 marks, teaching strategies 3, and classroom management assessment 2, peer observation and 3, peer observation 1, presentation 3, and organization 2. Then total 20 marks will be there along with the report writing as well in internal supervisor evaluation form there. Then next one is cooperating institution supervisor form, that is cooperating means teaching at the school there, from the school only 5 marks there. That is name of this, it is mentioned there. And then school performance, students impression there, and regularity, then 5 marks from there. Cooperating institution supervisor form means teaching at the school there. Then next one is external supervisor evaluation form, that means externals, and 40 marks, 40% marks will from external evaluation form there. Then how the marks are categorized, that lesson plan 6 number marks, and teaching aids 4, knowledge of subject matter 5, teaching strategy 6, and classroom management and assessment 4, presentation 8, and organization 7, altogether 40 marks from the external supervisor evaluation form, means external evaluate according to that marks according to that heading there. So overall that is internal evaluation form will be that is evaluation of micro teaching 15 number, evaluation of peer teaching 20 marks there, evaluation of school teaching 20, school evaluation 5 marks, and 60 marks goes to final internal evaluation form from the internal supervisor. and 40 marks from the external supervisor there. Then next one is that is attendance. It is mentioned according to that attendance has been taken according that way from the internal supervisor and external supervisor. That is the uh, syllabus is from TU there. Now that is all about the teaching practice program for B.Ed fourth year students. uh, if the students they get familiarity according to this how the marks are divided according to the topic there, so how what kind of how many marks are there in lesson plan and make preparing instructional material, then overall report writing and peer observation form. I hope student got the concept. I have explained each and every topics and how the marks are distributed here in detail. I hope student will get the good concept here. If you have any confusion regarding this, you can comment on this video so that I can put a reply there. Now I like to end the video here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this channel. That always make me motivated to make such kind of videos in the days to come. Hope to meet you all in the next interesting video.